Thank you for watching our videos. Our first online course has finally been released on Udemy. Course link is available in the description box. We hope you will make your own unique sushi for your customers and loved ones. We present to you the very popular Japanese cuisine.
それではエビフライを作っていきます。
In this lecture, I will show you how to make ebi-fry. Ebi-fry is a very popular Western-style Japanese dish, especially popular among children. You can put it in the bento lunchbox. Of course, it's a very popular filling for sushi rolls. You can find ebi-fry at any restaurant serving as one of the popular main course. Let's get started. Here I have shrimps. Vein and the shells have been removed and stretched. It's about 20 grams per piece when it's prepared. This is how you do to prepare the shrimp. First, devein the shrimp. The vein should have been removed when pulled off the head, but some of it remained. Stab the skewer or toothpick in the soft area, second segment from the tail. 1 to 2 millimeters down from the top of the shrimp. Gently pull the skewer upward. It should hook the whole vein out. Then peel off the outer shell. Make a shallow cut diagonally on the very side. It should be 2 millimeters in depth. Then take it with your fingers and gently snap from the back to the very side until you feel the muscular fiber crack with the motion as if you are stretching the shrimp. Cut off the tips of the tail to remove the water inside. If you skip this process, the oil will be splashing all over you and kitchen counter. Rinse under the cold water and pat dry. Now let's prepare for the breading. Line shrimps one by one on the floured tray. The flour is shifted and lumps removed. Flip them over and dust evenly over the surface. Okay, these look good.
きれいにですね、まぶしてもらったら OK です。はい。
Shake off excess flour, dip in the egg mixture, then coat its entire surface with panko breadcrumb. Work in 4 to 5 shrimps at a time, dip them in eggs, press them over the panko breadcrumbs, roll them on the panko, and then coat the entire surface of shrimp. Repeat the process until you use up all the ingredients. Transfer to another tray and set aside. Ebi-fry preparation is done.
これを油で揚げていって完成です。
Heat your oil for frying to 170 degrees Celsius. You can tell the temperature has reached 170 degrees Celsius by sticking the chopsticks into the oil. When you see the bubbles coming up from the tip, that's the sign of the proper temperature. Of course, you can use the thermometer. Hold the tail, slowly slide it into the hot oil. It's hot and you are maybe scared of it, but do not ever drop it in the oil. Cook on medium heat for a couple of minutes, keeping the temperature at 170 degrees Celsius.
フライは170から180度でお願いします。そうですね、5本ずつ、この鍋の大きさにはよると思うんですけど、で入れてすぐ触ったら衣が剥がれるんで、しばらくそのまま。小さい泡がだんだん大きい泡になってくると思います。
When the crust looks golden brown, that's the sign of finished cooking.
さっきまで小さかった泡が
Take it out and hover over the hot oil for a while to drip off any excess oil. This technique makes ebi-fry even better. Take it onto a wire rack to release the steam, and you can keep the crispy crust longer. Do not overcook, otherwise the meat becomes firm and the crust will fall off easily. Observe them carefully at the last minute of cooking. Serve them with cabbage or lettuce or an assortment of vegetables of your choice. There are no rules of plating, so be creative to make your own style. Serve it with Aurora sauce, a mayonnaise-based tomato sauce. See you in the next video.
揚げるときは、ちょっと下に設置してあったら
Our first online course has finally been released on Udemy. Course link is available in the description box.
This is the Samurai Sushi Spirits.
ありがとうございます。またお越しくださいませ。